something magical about that first summer road trip. The sun feels warmer, the sky seems bluer, and the world looks just a little bit more alive. As we head into the Pocono Mountains, I can't help but soak in the beauty around us. Trees dancing in the breeze, winding roads, and the excitement of the weekend away from the everyday. We made it! Here's our charming little Airbnb, which we're gonna call our home for the next few days. Wait till you see the best part. Yup, it's a Friends themed game room in the basement. I love the Friends TV show, and it was such a dream to stay in an apartment which was decorated so nicely. Here's the charming little TV area, which was quite cozy and comfy. The kitchen was really nicely set up, and we did cook a lot of meals in here. There were 4 bedrooms, which were more than enough for all of us to take a good night's rest.
One nap later.
The next morning, we found ourselves surrounded by nature. This trail winds beautifully along a quiet creek. And the kids? They couldn't resist the water. Moments like these remind me of how healing nature can be. It grounds us, gives our busy minds a chance to slow down and just be gentle like the stream.
The next day,
We boarded the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Train and let the rhythm of the tracks take us through valleys and forests. Sometimes the best thing we can do is hit pause. This was a good reminder that life doesn't always need to move so fast. Especially in summer, it's the season made for slowing down and making memories. And just like that, our weekend came to an end. But the memories will stay with us for a long time. Summer is here, and it's yours for the taking. So go out, explore, splash in the creek, ride a train, laugh a little louder, because these simple moments, they are the ones you'll cherish the most. I hope you have a great weekend. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.